before joining Business Benchmark Group, I suppose I just flew by the seat of my pants, I guess. I didn't really have a good grasp on how we were performing as a business. And since joining with the group, I've been able to gain some good clarity on what to look at to see how we're performing and what areas need attention. And so it's been a real eye-opener and a big game changer for us. Probably within the last couple of months that I've really nailed, and it has been probably one of the biggest changes for us, I suppose. Having a super clear idea of knowing what our target marketing, our target project, really helped us, for one, stopped sort of wasting time on jobs that didn't suit us, and just made us a whole lot more profitable getting the jobs that we needed and that we wanted. The big thing with Business Benchmark Group is your default diary. So having that, I suppose, that structure in place and sort of looking back at it every, even twice daily, kind of just keeps you on the right path and helps you better manage your time and keep on top of what tasks actually are important and what ones you can sort of get stuck doing that you probably shouldn't be spending so much time on. I've been a lot stricter on my business owner time, and it's just looking at your numbers and doing all that side of the business stuff that you don't really get the time to do when you're out on site has really changed it for us. So this is another one that's sort of really helped us a lot. We've gone out and sought a few more employees, and we've sort of put current employees into, I wouldn't say higher positions, but more defined roles, so they know exactly what their responsibilities are. And some have come to it really well, and some have sort of died away from it, which has kind of shown us where they all sit and which ones need more work than others, and maybe which ones aren't actually a great fit for our team. So that's probably a big one. Over the last, probably took me a couple of months to get on board with it and start really nailing our numbers, but it sort of took a bit of a rough patch. Maybe 3 to 4 months ago, we had 3 months where cash flow was a big issue, profitability was right down, which I didn't even really know about until afterwards. But taking the time to sit back and actually work out what my true cost of opening my business is, and just knowing all those numbers and knowing what to be charging for our work and all of that has been a massive game changer, because we're really doing some, within the space of 3 to 4 months, we're doing numbers that we haven't sort of hit before, and that's probably been the biggest. Just getting to know our numbers has been an absolute game changer for us. And I suppose I dropped out of high school and never had any real business learnings or teachings or anything like that. So I just simply didn't know where to start and didn't know what to look at, and it was never taught to me. So with the guidance, it sort of really helped us.